Production Operation and Management. Hello, I'm Koenzer. I'm studying Bachelor Degree of Manufacturing Management from Open University Malaysia. Introduction. Process strategy is an organization approach to transforming resources into goods and services. The process selected by the company is very crucial because it will have a long-term effect on efficiency and flexibility of production, as well as on cost and quality of the services delivered or goods produced. There are 4 process strategies, that is product focus, process focus, repetitive focus, and mass customization. Company background of Top Glove. Top Glove Corporation Berhad is the world's largest manufacturer of gloves, established in 1991 and headquartered in Malaysia. It has over 2,000 customers in 195 countries worldwide. Top Glove main production are rubber glove, synthetic glove, and surgical glove. Top Glove products are an essential item in the healthcare industry, ensuring human safety and helping to save life. Okay, why we choose Top Glove? Top Glove Malaysia, 19 November 2020 is selected for this case study because it met the criteria of product focus, which produce high volume and low variety, continuous flow process, long runs of product type such as size, grade, and color, require high fixed cost but low labor cost, reward high facility utilization. Literature review of Top Glove. We study about Top Glove Malaysia from 21st September till 27 September 2020. Top Glove Corporation Berhad released its best ever quarterly results last week with a net profit of more than 1 billion, meeting consensus expectation. The stellar growth stemmed from the global surge in demand for gloves as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic. With the increasing awareness of personal hygiene, they are confident that demand will continue to increase. With COVID-19, Top Glove estimate that glove demand will grow by 20% per annum in 2020, 25% in 2021, and 15% post-COVID-19. Due to their investment in automation and continuous R&D, they have improved productivity by 78% from 8.4 workers per million piece of glove to only 1.8 worker per million currently. The group has earmarked Rm8 billion for capex over the next 6 years from 2021 to 2026, which will provide them with an additional capacity of 100 billion pieces of glove. Okay, we will look at the product focus process. Product focus are high volume and low variety processes. The facility are organized around products. It also called continuous processes because they have a very long continuous production runs that enable efficient processes. It only requires less skilled labor and typically high fixed cost but low variety cost. Example of product focus process. At Top Glove, types, size, thickness, and color are the relatively few inputs but outputs like latex glove, nitrile glove, medical glove, surgical glove, clean room glove, and disposable glove vary in types and packaging within the product family. Types of glove. And then we will go to the latex glove manufacturing flow chart. We will look detailedly at the following content. The first process is former cleaning. The glove former needs to be cleaned before it can be used to form hand-shaped latex glove before the latex can be processed to the coagulant dipping process. Glove former must be dipping into an acid bath and then rinsed with clean water. An alkaline bath is used by dipping the glove formers in them to neutralize the acid and again rinse in clean water. Okay, after that, glove formers are brushed to ensure the surface of the glove former is consistent and eliminate pinholes on the latex glove after it formed. Next process, coagulant dipping. Coated with coagulant, for example calcium nitrate, and be dipped into the coagulant bath to help the latex mixture adhere to the formers and to help ensure the latex is distributed evenly after the glove former is cleaned. And then drying. It is a process of drying the glove from wet to ready-made gloves. After that, latex dipping. Latex dipping is one of the stations in the production process of latex glove manufacturing, and the tank is filled with compounded latex. Next process, leaching. This stage can call as the pre-vulcanization leaching. It also known as wet gel leaching. Residual chemicals and proteins on the surface of the gloves are put into the leaching process to be removed after the drying of latex mixture. After the beading process, while still in the wet gel state, the cuff of the newly formed gloves are rolled back by rotating beading brush to form beads. Beaded cuff also gives strength to the gloves as well as enhancing the ease of donning the gloves by user later. And then vulcanization, a curing process in the production process of latex glove, whereby the latex particles are modified by adding in accelerator chemicals to it. It also ensures the rubber will not be torn and melt easily. And then post-leaching. This process is similar to the wet firm leaching previously. Time and temperature is the most important element to ensure effectiveness in the process of water extractive reduction. And then slowly dipping. It also known as wet even powdering. Benefit of this powder is acting as preservation of the latex glove and to assist in the latex glove donning process. After that, stripping. This process also known as stripping involves the removal of the finished glove from the former. Top glove latex examination gloves are stripped by fully automated stripping machine. After that, tumbling. This process at latex glove manufacturing process is to remove excessive powder on the gloves. The latex gloves are putting into the commercial dryers to ensure that the powder is more evenly distributed and excess powder can be removed. After that, quality control, close monitoring of production process, tensile string machine, innovative auto stripping system, whistle air pump test, watertight test, physical dimension test, protein test, and powder test in their manufacturing process of latex glove. And this is the last process, the final stage in the manufacturing process of latex glove. They pack their latex glove in flat and efficient layer by layer to ease the dispensing of gloves in order to avoid latex glove difficult to dispense from each glove later. As a conclusion, a good and correct process selected by a company is very crucial because it will have a long-term effect on efficiency and flexibility of production as well as on cost and quality of the services delivered or good produce. And the company can succeed and remain competitive with the right process strategy. Thank you.